Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe that I developed myself, and this is for lemon cake. Hope you love it as much as I do, so let's get started.
First, we need our ingredients. We need 6 egg whites, 1/3 cup or 80 grams of butter, 2/3 a cup or 150 milliliters of oil, 2 cups or 400 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon lemon zest, 1 cup or 225 milliliters freshly squeezed lemon juice, which is about 3 to 5 lemons depending on the size. First, I separate the eggs. And beat the egg whites until they get to stiff peaks. Then I set it aside for later. Next, I work on the lemons. I zest the lemons until I have enough zest. This will be about 1 lemon zested, but it depends on the size of your lemons. Then juice the lemons, making sure no seeds make it into the juice. The cup of juice comes from 3 large or 4 to 5 small lemons. Set the lemon juice aside until we're ready for it. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter. Add oil and sugar and mix until creamy. Add the salt, baking powder, and lemon zest and combine. Add about 1/3 of the flour and mix it in. Then half the lemon juice and mix, alternating until all are combined. Now you can put away the mixer. With a spatula, fold in the egg whites. This looks amazing, but it doesn't look like lemons. So just to make it look like it tastes, I add a bit of yellow food coloring. This is absolutely not necessary. If you prefer, you can leave it white. Now pour it in your greased and lined cake pans and bake it at 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius for 40 to 50 minutes, depending on the size of your cake pan. Here's our baked and cooled cake. It smells amazing. I love the way lemon smells. Here I'm leveling the cake. This cake is lovely and light. The lemon taste really comes through. It has a pretty intense flavor. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more videos. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we've uploaded a new video.